Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Vyas. Now, over the past day or so, you received a call or message either from me or one of my business partner. As we mentioned, we wanted to see if there is an opportunity for us to be able to work together. Now, some of the things that we do is we have a bunch of connections that we can possibly refer to you. One of the other thing that we do is we look at companies and we help them tap into some hidden income stream that many times they are not aware of. Now, I have worked with more than 200 business owners and 15 plus different industries like multinational companies, e-commerce manufacturers, professionals, builders, small businesses, coach, consultant, so on. Now, my last job, I was hired as a business strategist for a multinational firm. However, I got the purpose and decided to leave the corporate side of business and working with small and medium sized business like yourself where we can really make an impact. Now, for the lots of you, cash flow is a very big issue, and some of you might have enough customers. In fact, some of you might have more customers than you can possibly handle. But if cash flow is a big issue for you, then one of the best way that I know of that I have learned working with these multinational dollar company and while being a elite mastermind groups is a thing that I call group marketing and hidden resource marketing. So typically a company will go after one company or one customer at a time. And with group marketing, you go after a deal and that one customer may refer to you dozens, hundreds or even thousands of new customers. Now let me give you an oversimplified example. So let's say you have got company A and you have got company B. So company A refers to their customer to company B and company B refers to their customer to company A, or a variation of that. And at hidden resource marketing, we find and optimize untapped opportunity worth thousands and lakhs of rupees and help them to multiply sometimes 3x or 2x their net profit and more. Now, the very first time I put a project like this together, we increased one of our client sales by 300 plus percentage in just 4 months. Now again, we mentioned that some of you have enough customers, and in fact some of you have more customers than you can possibly handle. So this is not about getting you more work, but it's actually about a cash flow, getting you more cash flow. So as a business strategist, I typically work with these multinational companies. However, I also work with small businesses. I also work with a brand new tech startups, e-commerce, and even people starting a business for the very first time from their home. Now, the purpose of this video is not to sell you advertising or some marketing package, but rather to partner up with you, because we work off a spirit of goodwill and something that can create a win-win situation for everyone. Because if we help you make more money, you won't mind sharing profit, and some of you may decide to refer us to your connections. This is more or less of looking for a partnership where we can go ahead and put a project like this together. And if you are ready to know more or to take the next step and put a project like this together, we offer 20 minutes free hidden growth audit. You can find the link below this video. We have the resources down below. You will find special report which you can download that goes into the more and more details about it. We also have a free upcoming training that you can attend in our private Facebook group. And as I shared, we can plan a 20 minutes discovery call and find out if we both are good fit to joint venture for greater profits. Now, if you are watching this video, I want to invite you to be a part of our new Rules of Business Growth Facebook group, where we will be sharing more trainings and resources for you which you can use to grow your business. Please click the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you do not miss the next video within the video series. Again, it would be an impossible job to explain everything that we are gonna do for you in just few minutes of this video. So if you think it's something for you, go ahead and read my book or special report from the resource area, and you also can book 20 minutes free hidden growth audit with me. I have a blast recording this video for you here today, and take care everyone. Have a great day, and we will see you soon in our FP group.